Right then, let's see how this advanced parallel parking assist works. I'll be honest with you, it's missed more times than it's a hit. So let's see if we've got any spaces here we can work with. Oh, there's one. Not the first one. Right, so let's put that on. We've got 4 options here. We've got reverse bay park and parallel park left, and the same on the right. We want to bay park to the left. There's no way you're getting in there, mate. Yep. So keep going. And stop indicates reverse. And if you've done everything right, you'll get this symbol here, which is this one. It's the indicator bit that I kept going wrong on. Keep an eye on things. Yeah, supposed to be watching what I'm doing, aren't I? Maneuver in progress. Well, it should say. So we go forward, but it hasn't. Right, at any time I can take control. There we go. The indicator cancels itself. Right, that wasn't too bad actually. Quite chuffed with that. So let's get out of here then. So activate that. Try that again. Activate that. Exit to the right. Turn on indicator. Down reverse first. Right. Yep, all clear. Steering. And it should tell me when it wants me to take over. Like there, okay. Sorted. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, drop me a comment below and see you in the next one.